Imagine your story at the Buckeye Public Library System's 2020 Summer Reading Program. Thank you to the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library.
Enter a world of endless adventures as you imagine your story during the Buckeye Public Library System's Summer Reading Program, running June 1st to July 31st, online via our website, our YouTube page and Facebook page, and through our free grab-and-go kits, which you can pick up at the Downtown Library or Coyote Branch, Monday through Friday between 8 and 10 a.m., or from our Roadrunner bookmobile. Check our website for dates, times, and locations.
Imagine your story watching weekly summer reading activity videos with some of your friends.
Imagine your story as you explore,
Discover
and experience STEAM with us.
Imagine your story reading your favorite book, earning points so you can earn prizes.
Imagine your story creating origami.
Imagine your story in virtual escape room.
Imagine your story
watching weekly storytime videos.
Imagine your story by journaling.
Imagine your story taking virtual tours this summer.
Imagine your story with our book discussion.
Imagine your story creating fun projects from your grab-and-go kits.
This summer you'll have a variety of ways to earn points towards great prizes, all the while learning and having fun. You can pick up a grab-and-go summer reading kit, which includes 8 weeks of fun family activities, including weekly themes, vocabulary, literacy tips, imagine, learn, and play activities, themed STEAM-based projects, along with all the supplies you need to do those projects, recommended reading lists for all ages, links and resources, and even a free children's book. You can also earn points by watching a variety of library-produced programming, including Storytime, STEAM, Explore Your Digital Library, Origami, Journaling, and weekly kit how-to videos. And of course, you can earn points by reading at least 20 minutes a day. To earn points, just register and log your points at read20az.org. Visit our summer reading website for more details. Inspire, engage, and connect with your Buckeye Public Library System as you imagine your story.